Hello guys, welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Adaora. We are going to prepare a very healthy recipe today using these vegetables you are seeing right now. So this is from my garden, okay? It is called amaranth, but in Nigeria we call these vegetables greens. I don't even know why we call those vegetables green, because of course all vegetables are green, right? I don't know why we refer to this one as green, but everybody knows that this is green, okay? If you tell anyone green, the person will tell you that yes, this is what we call green in Nigeria. Okay, we are going to use it to prepare yam, and it's gonna be so amazing. So if you want to find out how to prepare it, stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and let's head straight into Adorable Kitchen, and I'll show you the list of all my ingredients. To prepare this recipe, we'll be using some yams. Here I have our vegetables. We are also going to be needing Nigerian palm oil, so it is good to use fresh palm oil that doesn't have any aftertaste if you want to enjoy this recipe. So this brand by OBG is the best so far for me. Here I have some onions. I have 2 onions here. I have some ground crayfish. I have some Cameroon pepper. I have salt. I have seasoning cubes, no seasoning cubes. The first step in this recipe is to peel the skin of the yam. Cut the yam into small chunks, add water and let it start cooking. I like to cut my yams into small chunks. It is just easy and very convenient for me while eating. I know that some people prefer their yams in large chunks, like having it just like slicing it into 2 after making the big circle, but that is okay. You can go ahead and slice your yam, cut the yam whatever size and whatever shape you like, but for this recipe I'm going to be cutting mine into small chunks. So after cutting the yam, just wash it several times, add water to it and let it start cooking. So while the yam is cooking, go ahead and pick your vegetables, remove the hard stem from it, wash with salt, slice and set aside. Once the yam start boiling, add salt, just about quarter teaspoon of salt. Add salt to it, cover it and let it cook until it becomes soft. Once it becomes soft, which you will know by when you use a knife to cut through it, it just slide in very easily, then you know that your yam is cooked and soft. So just transfer to a colander, set it aside. Go ahead and slice your vegetables. After slicing the vegetables, set it aside and slice your 2 bulbs of onions. The method we are going to use in this recipe is going to preserve the green color of these vegetables even after cooking. We are going to steam the vegetables first, okay? So add the vegetables into a pot. Next, add in half of the sliced onions. Okay, remember we had 2 onions, so just add one of the sliced onions there. Next, add your crayfish, add salt, add seasoning cube, add pepper. Cover it and let it steam for about 5 minutes or less. Now, to another pot, pour in some red palm oil. When it becomes hot, add in the other chopped onions. Add about 1 cube of seasoning cube just for additional flavor. Fry it until it becomes very translucent, then set it aside. After about 5 minutes of steaming the vegetables, stir everything together properly and turn off the heat. Set it aside as well. Then the final part of making this recipe is just to combine everything together. We are going to combine the yam, the vegetables and those onions and palm oil, and that will be it for this recipe. So if you want to enjoy your vegetables yam, this is how you should prepare it. Okay, it is more flavorful this way and the freshness of the vegetables is remain. Okay, it doesn't turn black or brownish, like it's not overcooked, and that's because the heat has reduced at this point. like the yam, it is cooled down now, so it's not going to like add another heating to the vegetables, and just eat. That's just the method I use, and everybody likes it. My whole family, they enjoy this recipe whenever I make it. So just stir everything together. You don't even need to add any other seasoning to it at this point, because remember we added everything when we steamed the vegetables, and we also added one seasoning cube to the oil while frying it. So at this stage everything should be okay, but if for any reason you are lacking anything at this time, this is time to add anything you want to add, like pepper, salt, seasoning cube, crayfish. Just go ahead and add whatever you want to add, and just enjoy your meal. This is ready, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.